Hello everyone. Today we will continue with the sixth session of marketing management, in which we will begin with the importance of market segmentation. Before moving ahead, I would like to announce you that if you like our video, then please press button, share, subscribe more and more so that more people can have advantages. Importance of market segmentation. Primarily, the market segmentation is very much helpful in the competition, as with the appropriate market segment strategy, we will come to know about the feature factor of individual market, which will give an insight to serve our marketing policies, our marketing policies or strategies rectifications if any required, so we are able to face better competition and fight with the competition effectively. So market segmentation having a greater influence, a greater importance on the competition management too. Then it is providing an opportunity to expand the market. If we segment more and more market, we are expanding our market opportunities to serve, to cater, to make them satisfied, to offer them useful products. Market segmentation is also helpful to discover marketing opportunities, because it is in the market, it is in the customer base, that which type of product is coming to be expectations range in the customer are preferring which type of product, that we will come to know with the different market segments, and accordingly we will cater the product so that it will serve that not only the companies but also the organizational requirement, and prompt the benefits to more and more enhanced manner. The knowledge of customer need, exactly what I am trying to convince about. If we are able to know, if we are knowing the customer knowledge, if we are now knowing the actual requirement of the customers, it is more likely to be manufactured the same product, and most likely to be satisfied the same product to different customers. Then if we find any requirement of adjustment in the product, we can do it. If we find to how to increase the sales, we are able to increase the sales volume by applying on this. We need to adopt sound and effective marketing programs so that this could be enhance the effectiveness of the marketing strategies too. Effective advertising appeal, that is one of the key aspect of segmentation, because a single message could not be sufficient enough to capture all the marketplace, but in different market segmentation, may a company apply different advertising appeal, different advertising message to convince the different customer base. Market segmentation also increases the marketing efficiency, so that salesperson will be more energetic, sales professional will be more encouraged, sales professionals will be able to sell in better manner to their respective market segmentation. Moving ahead toward knowing about the marketing mix variables. First, we know marketing mix is the policy adopted by the manufacturer to get success into the field of the marketing. Those days when goods were matched with the market have gone. Nowadays, we need to make the product as per as customer requirements. Hence, the modern marketing concept emphasizes the importance of the consumer preferences. Manufacturers take various policies to get success in the market, use of marketing information to access the situations. Therefore, a manufacturer first analyzes the nature of the consumer's need and then plan his product to give satisfaction to the consumers. So what we try to do, we need to understand about marketing mix variables. They are the product, price, plate, promotion, people, process, and physical evidences. In detail, we will have a distinguished session to discuss it. Before moving ahead, we should know about the what are the various factors which is going to affect the marketing mix decision. Each element of the marketing mix is under the control of separate personnel, that is employee. Therefore, it is necessary to understand the marketing manager to coordinate all the elements of marketing mix in order to achieve the aim. There arise problem in the process of coordination. The biggest problem we can control those type of problems are called controllable factors. There are certain factors which can be controlled by the organization or even the marketing management experts are under controllable factor like product planning. What type of product we should identify? A wise product policy is essential to meet the market demand. Marketing is managed process through which products are matched with the markets. A good policy is a guide for the decision making because consumer must be satisfied in a better way through design, quality, size, market segmentation, etc. The product planning plan includes introduction of products and modification of product to suit demand and elimination of unprofitable lines. It is a kind of essentially required. Another one is the price variable, which deals with the price of the competitors. It also deals with the policies of the price, discounts, and allowances, terms of credit, etc. A reasonable profit is aimed at by the offerer, and the price of the product is fixed to suit the market. We need to understand about the branding too. It must create a particular image in the mind of the consumers. Decisions of the trademark is important in developing the products. In a similar manner, packaging is also a decided considering its objective and the economies in a very much attractive style. So what we need to do, we need to always make our packaging better, improved, lucrative, attractive. Personal selling, another factor is that is good to increase the sale and at the same time to know the consumer's need, desire, and their preferences. While interaction with the product selling, we should know about their need, desire. Then, about the sales promotion, the marketing manager makes out programs to increase these sales forces through exhibitions, various displays, advertising, etc. The process must be informed and persuade the customer of company's product. Physical research. Market research is a system by which one can analyze the market condition. It helps a marketer in formulating the policies by which the product reaches an efficient way in the hands of the consumers. Then another one, those which are not under our control, those which are not the control of the organization, that is known as the uncontrollable factors. Uncontrollable factors are also known as the external factors. Burden classifies these forces under four heads, like behavior of consumers, trade competitors, and the government. Apart from this, a firm may have no control over forces of economic, social, political, etc. Moving ahead, consumer buying behavior. Consumers' buying behavior is affected by buying habits, buying power, and motivation in buying, living standard, social environment, technological changes. These are the bigger issues which is not under the control of the organizations. So we need to be focused critically on these dimensions. Then the trader's behavior, the behavior of intermediaries, wholesalers, or retailers, and their motivations, practices, attitude, etc., affect the marketing of the product and volume at the same time. The third factor is the competitors' behavior. Any businesses, especially with the new business firms come up, this attitude invites competition among the industrialists. The competition may be supply of demand of the product, choice offered by the consumers, amid technological changes, new invention, etc. The marketing manager must be vigilant enough about the market trend so that upcoming trend can be analyzed on time, and accordingly we can make innovations in our product as well as services too. The fourth and the key variable is governmental behavior. The marketing manager should consider always the rules and regulations of the government and respect of the product, pricing, competitive practices, advertising, etc. Organization or firms do not have control over the laws because it is framed by a regulatory organization or the government body, and we all are bounded to follow the governmental rules and regulations. I hope you like this session, enjoyed this session. If you again like our session, please press like button, share and subscribe so that more and more scholars can have an advantage of it. And if you find any difficulties or you have any query, you must write your questions in the comment box along with your email ID. Your answer will be in your inbox. Thank you very much. Take care. Thank you.